All right, in this video, we're going to take some words that we have and we're going to be changing the words into an actual function. So we're going to turn it into an equation for us to work with. So our first equation is going to be, we're going to say whatever it is, we're going to multiply by 5 and then minus 3. Now, when we write the function, we always start with a variable. And most of the time, it's going to start with y equals. Now, we could start with other things. It really doesn't matter. But typically, a lot of times, our output is going to be the letter y. So we're going to practice using y for today's lesson. Okay? So what it's saying is our output is y. Our first thing we have to do is we have to multiply by 5. All right? Our input is x. So we have to take x times 5, and then we minus 3. So x times 5 minus 3. Now, you see that I actually put the symbol in there. When we write algebra equations, we actually don't put a multiplication symbol. You've probably seen that as we've worked. So even though this is technically right, the way I want you to practice it would be writing it like this. Instead of y equals x times 5, we're going to put y equals 5x. Multiplication is kind of a special one that we don't use the symbol, and we always put the number first, the variable second. So x times 5 is the same as 5x minus 3. So this is technically your correct answer with your function. Now, if this is in there, technically you're right, but we want to start working on putting those variables in multiplication right next to each other. All right, let's do another one. Here's, we're going to take our input, divide by 3, then add 10. When we write an equation, we always start with y equals. Y equals, our input is x. So in every equation, you're going to have a y and you're going to have an x. And they're going to be on different sides of your equation. So y equals x divided by 3. All right, I got that divided by 3 done. Then add 10. This one's simple because we don't have to switch anything around. And there is our equation that goes with our words. So you're going to be expected to be able to take the rule in words and turn that rule into a function. All right, good luck.